Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 keeps signing out immediately after logging in, then please watch this video. The solution is through the registry editor. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on registry editor. Go to the registry editor window. Go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version and Windows logon. Now I will give you the value of two strings here. The first string is shell. Double click on it and the value data should be explorer.exe. The second one is user int. Double click on it. C drive Windows System 32 user int.exe. And this should be confirmed. Once these values are exact, then you can simply restart your computer and it will be fixed. If not, then please correct the values. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.